going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be kind of walking you through the process of what it's like being a dealership detailer, so let's get to it. We are going to be detailing this Honda Pilot. Hopefully some more details come. Whew, it's kind of cold out here. Not too bad, not too bad. This thing's actually pretty clean for dealership cars. Sometimes they get real dirty, like real dirty. This thing isn't bad at all. The only thing is it's black. Nice. I happen to be really good with black cars though, so. Alright guys, so before I go wash this thing, I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit.
It's not necessarily necessary.
Good to let it warm up before you wash the engine. There's my girl over there in that big white Suburban. We also take in brand new cars and we take all the plastics off, wash them, throw the mats in and all that fun stuff. What's really cool about being a dealership detailer is you get to drive so many cars, and it's really cool because like sometimes you'll get Camaro, Hellcat, all sorts of stuff. So that's one freaking positive about working at a dealership as a detailer. So I really do like that. It doesn't pay the best when it's slow, like in the winter months, but it's still a fun job. You still want to try to hold on to it if you can. You know, it's decent money, but it's not the best kind of money for detailing. For detailers, you know, detailers should make a lot more, especially if you have a lot of experience. This is our process for washing the engine bay. So we do it the quick way, degreaser, boom. Not saying this is the 100% right way, but we don't ever have any issues doing it this way, so just cover it in degreaser. There's the Mustang. Oh look, they opened it. They opened it.
What you make it, I feel like I'm lazy. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories.
Now we're gonna start by opening all the doors and pulling out all the mats.
We make it, this life is so abrasive. So I almost gave it. All this that I'm laying, and it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through a phase. See my face, chasing at the paper, been on it for the waves, everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves, with everything to prove. Now what's going on? I see it through my lens, but it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way. I'm trying to feel the air again. I lost somewhere in my head. I just had it all on my own. Holding tight to the pledge. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you, afraid no one ever know me. I'm out near the edge, and I can't get inside of my head yet. Think like come on becoming, it's all I ever wanted. Never like me when you're sober, only like you when I'm lonely. Got me looking in the mirror for the self-diagnosis. Feel like they really nice me, if they ever get to know me. They tell me that you need me, but your action didn't show it. Knowing that you play the angles, and I'm seeing through your motives. Put the weight down on my shoulder, found a way to hold it. I can't keep my focus, barely keep composure. Hard when I've been coping with all the pressure that I fed. Make it hard to hold my head, make it hard to get to sleep. Like I'm slipping from the edge, struggling to get a breath. Right the wrongs with the leg, life is not a guarantee. Just dying by the clip, self-prescribed a Dylan mess. Now the way to flee the scene, I've been trying to get a grip onto something that'll reach. Life is speeding to a peak, it's how I realize that I'm not the man I wanna be. I've been running for myself, we all afraid to die alone. Scared that's all I ever be. I've been scrolling down a feed, afraid we never get to see the type of liberation that we really need to set us all free. I went out of my way, I'm trying to feel the I get. I'm lost somewhere in my head. Now they're all on my own. I'm holding tight to the pledge. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you. Afraid no one ever know me. I'm out near the edge, and I can't get this out of my head yet.
We are going to go ahead and start shining the panels, all the trim, all the plastic. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and go deliver this car now. We're gonna cut a left here and then go deliver this car. That's gonna be that for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you detailing this car with me. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If you want to see any content related to this kind of work, you know, dealership detailing, then let me know. If you want to see some cool cars, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads. Hit that notification bell. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time.